Hi, I'm Avery, and today I'm going to show you some of my creations through Studio. So, what I'm going to be showing you is inspired by the video game Detroit Become Human, which is set in the year 2038 in Detroit, where humans and androids live together, and androids were created to help human lives be better, I guess. Helping around either both around the house or in the public, or for just for pleasure even. So there are maids, there are people who work at as broadcasters. There are even sex androids and children androids. The creator, Elijah Kamski, was in charge of creating CyberLife, which is basically the company that created androids. So we're going to be taking a look at certain scenes from the video game and certain characters. So there are 3 characters in the video game they play. There's Connor, who is a detective android. There is Kara, who is an android who just wants to be free. And then there is Marcus, who leads the revolution for android rights, because humans are mistreating androids, and the mistreatment leads to androids becoming deviant, which means that they develop feelings and they feel alive. They feel human, basically, a human android. So it's a whole concept basically around slavery and racism, which is a pretty heavy topic. But it's a choice-based game, which I really enjoy. So there are I think there's 30 different endings or something like that. So it's pretty interesting. So I will show you around. So the first thing that I will show you is the Zen Garden. We got the Zen Garden here with Amanda and Connor. We got Amanda, we got Connor, and this is just a picture of what I think a Lego set box would look like if Lego ever made that. So that's the Zen Garden. This is a scene right after the Eden Club. Then we got Kamski's house. So we got the swimming pool. We got all different characters, and got the chairs and stuff like that. We got Connor here. We got Chloe. Chloe is the first android to pass the Turing test, and if you don't know about that, Turing test is basically where it seems human. It acts like a human. It looks like a human. Basically, you couldn't tell the difference between an android and a human. So this is Kamski, Elijah Kamski. He's the one who created CyberLife in the first place. This is Hank, Detective Hank Anderson, and he works with Connor. And this is a painting from the artist who made this. And that would be the box. Now we got Jericho, and I apologize that I spelled Jericho wrong. It's with an H. I misspelled it. Sorry about that. But there's Jericho, the ship. got the piano there. We got Connor in his deviant outfit. We have Marcus in his deviant outfit. And we got Kara. And I guess her deviant outfit too. And then we got the other the box. Here's some other characters. I can fit them all in here. So I put them down here. So this is North, who is with Marcus's storyline. This is Alice, who runs away, who tries to run away with Kara. This is this is Josh, who's with Marcus. This is Simon, also with Marcus. This is Luther. He tries to help Kara and Alice escape. This is Carl's house. And so we got Carl's house here. And this is the bookshelf. This is the chessboard. This is the piano. This is one of the first scenes. I think it's second or first scene with Marcus, where he decides whether to read a book, play chess, or play the piano. And then this is all spoilers. This is all of the paintings that Marcus could create. This is Carl. He's an old man who's a painter. He's a famous painter who created the other painting. And Marcus takes care of Carl until Marcus is thought of the person who broke into his house. So, and this is Carl's house. So, what I'm going to show you is all of the individual pieces. So these are all of the photos, all the pictures. This is the chessboard, some of the legs, Jericho pieces. We got the torsos. Like that. And then we have the Detroit Become Human. Basically, I just put all the pieces from all 4 sets into one folder. Any of the pieces that are regular pieces. There's bricks. There's slopes. There's tiles. Brackets. Place tiles. Yeah, these are the tiles. Sorry. Piano tiles. Panels. Technic pieces. Bars. Hinges. Windows. Fences. Got containers, carrot top, tap, boat, wheels, bird, plant, minifigure heads, minifigure hair, minifigure headgear, minifigure body parts. We got the body wear and the leg assemblies. We got the utensils. That's all of everything from that. Alright, so these are individual pictures that I created through sketchbook. We got Alice, Amanda, Carl, Chloe, Kara, Luther, Marcus, more Marcus, North, Simon, where's Josh? Where's Josh? Josh. Here's Josh. So I hope you enjoyed me showing off my Lego sets. I will link down below some more information for videos from Studio and Parts Designer that I used to create these sets, and I hope you check out Bricklink's Studio Gallery, and I hope you enjoyed this video.